Downloading account data from Outlook 2026 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you successfully export your data. Step 1. Open Outlook 2026. Launch the Outlook 2026 application on your computer. Make sure you are logged into the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Access account settings. Click on the File tab in the upper left corner of the window. From the menu that appears, select Account Settings and then choose Account Settings again from the drop-down. Step 3. Export data. In the Account Settings window, click on the Data Files tab. Select the account you wish to export data from, then click on Open File Location. This will open the folder containing your account data files. Step 4. Copy data files. Locate the relevant data file, usually with a BSD extension, in the open folder. Right-click on the file and select Copy. Then, navigate to the location on your computer where you want to save the file and right-click to select Paste. Step 5. Confirm download. Once the file is pasted in your chosen location, you have successfully downloaded your account data. You can now access this file for backup or transfer purposes. By following these steps, you can easily download your account data from Outlook 2026. If you have any further questions, feel free to consult the Outlook help resources.